What up, YouTube? So, man, it's raining outside, y'all. It's ugly out here. But, gonna see about cleaning out the X5. A little junk up in here. A little bit of my stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and post it up soon. So, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up and get it looking right, man. So, that's the plan for right now. I just finished working on the, I just changed the O2 sensors in them. I think it was bank 1 and bank 2 I changed because when I got the motor put in, they broke them. So, whatever it is, what it is. But then it also broke the, what's that thing, the coolant sensor. And I was leaking coolant or whatnot. So, changed that out. So, y'all can see, man, she's pretty clean. I don't know if y'all, I can't remember if I did a video on when I picked this up or not. But, man, it look pretty good. It got 260 on the dash, but she had a motor installed with 110,000 miles on it. So that was about, I've only put, it was at 260, I've only put 400, no, that was at 255, because when I got it, it was just over the, like almost near the oil change thing. If y'all can see that, let me see. See that? See the oil change thing says 258, 726. But look at this date. This is when my mom last got her oil change. 2017. So the car sat for a couple years, man. But yeah, I got it and had a motor installed in it. I was going to install it myself, but man, I said screw it. I didn't have enough time in the world to be even working on it like that. So I thought I was recording, y'all. I've been sitting here talking with my fucking mouth. But yeah, man, my video was interrupted by a phone call or whatever. But I'm about to clean the X5 out and probably take some interior pictures. I'll probably take some exterior pictures later on. Waiting on the change light to go out. I should just reset it, but I ain't gonna do all that. I'm just let it do what it do. I'm gonna find my code to see what other code is popping up, but it was popping up for the O2 sensor and the coolant sensor. So, and I just replaced them. When Jose put it in, or his mechanic put it in, they put this piece in, it's gonna bother me. They broke my O2 sensor, and what else they doing? Man, they left so much stuff off on this car, but and the coolant sensor when I got it back, it wasn't there. So, and actually those O2 sensors that were in there were brand new O2 sensors. I put them in years ago, but it was right before my brother blew the motor in the car. But man, it is what it is. I found O2 sensors for like, all four for like $35. So I mean, I can't complain about it. So, but yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get it together, get it cleaned up, spray it down. Like I see, it already looks pretty decent, man. Just gotta wipe it down, everything get looking right. So let's like take some interior pictures and I'll probably take some outside pictures probably tomorrow. Once I be able to wipe it, wash it or whatever. But yeah, y'all, I'll holler at y'all in just a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all, trying to show y'all before I wipe it down or whatever. So I'll let y'all in a few. Alright guys, so got it back up. Looks better, but now I can start wiping down. So y'all can see all this start spraying. So let me get to it, man, before I drive. Alright guys, so got it all wiped down. As you can see, pretty good. Looking pretty good, man. So I gotta find my code with them, see what else going on, and go from there. But for right now, I am done cleaning the back out too. Man. So yeah, man, she's ready to go. Just gotta figure out what I changed like they cut off yet, and put this up in a minute. And go from there, man. You know, just always keep going forward. Don't stop. Just cause everything else going on around, just try to keep going, man. Try to stay motivated. Give yourself a reason to get up out of the bed. So it's turned out pretty good, y'all. Oh yeah. So I don't know. Hopefully it don't rain tomorrow. I better wash it up tomorrow. I'll probably just take it to the car wash and go to Wiki. Run through there, because I got a sticker in the window for the monthly, so I'll probably take it through there tomorrow, get that going. But now I'm gonna head to the Maxima, start cleaning that out. And I got the bands running. I ain't let it run in a while. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the Maxima out. I got so much junk in here. This was one of my dailies. Problem with this one was the computer, so I'm gonna clean this up and get this one together too, y'all. So let's see. I was even actually doing service calls out of this car too, so I'm gonna clean all this junk out and I'll show y'all the just finished title. I mean, not finished title, but finished work, whatever you want to call it. So, but yeah, it's a stick, if y'all ain't know. But yeah, man, I'll let y'all in just a little bit. All right, guys, so that's what it came out to look like. That's the little hood prop I'll be using to hold this hood up. I need to get this stuff out of here too. But I ain't really doing too much with this car. I mean, this is gonna be probably about 1,500. I'm just selling for what I got into it. I got 200 and I think 50,000 miles on it. So the rims and the stock tires gonna come with it. So, but yeah, man, it's ready. Almost anyway. I'm going to get the computer program hopefully this week. I've been meaning to take it up to Charlotte, so I don't have to pay the extra fees before I got to program the key. So yeah, got new headlights, new front brakes. I'm gonna put on I still gotta get some new calipers for the back, but yeah. Oh, and it actually has some lights that go, some underglow lights that's up under the dash and up under the doors. So yeah, that's it, man. Probably clean these cars up sometime this week and post them up, get them sold. So all right, y'all, that's the end of this video. You know, like, comment, subscribe, and share your boy page, man. Y'all be watching, but y'all don't be liking and sharing. You know, it's cool. I'm gonna make it. I ain't tripping. You know, so on to the next, y'all. See, look, what happened with this? A tree fell on it, y'all. I don't know if y'all see the dent right here. A couple of small dents I done popped out. And broke off the mirror on both sides. There was a dent in the top of it. I meant to tell y'all. See, this side didn't dent, but this mirror was broken. And there's a dent right here. And I don't know if I can see that, but yeah, that's what was wrong with it. I picked it up and drove it home. And it was my daily driver. Then the wheel bearings went out, and I replaced the wheel bearings, and by that time I was already driving my truck. So yeah, and I'm not quite done with that yet either. So I got some unfinished projects around here, but there it goes. I'm telling you, they're gonna go. Ooh, I found $1. Fell out my pocket. Thank you. But yeah, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. The G still for sale. This young lady supposed to come see it tomorrow. So, actually, I didn't even tell y'all the G's for sale. But that's all I did, y'all. Replaced that hatch. And a couple of little things. Let's change the spark plugs and change the battery. Man, it run and drive good. So, all right, y'all. Let me get up out of here. I'll talk to y'all later.